Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini AI. To begin, you'll need a Google account, which serves as your gateway to accessing Gemini's powerful capabilities. Gemini is primarily available through two main avenues: Google AI Studio for developers and the Google Bard interface for conversational interactions. Both platforms offer unique ways to engage with the AI, catering to different user needs and technical proficiencies. For developers and those wanting to experiment, Google AI Studio is your starting point. Simply visit the AI Studio website and sign in with your Google account. This free platform allows you to explore and test Google's cutting-edge AI models, including Gemini, without needing extensive technical expertise. You can create new prompts, build applications, and manage your projects efficiently. If you prefer a more conversational experience, Gemini is integrated into Google Bard. Go to the Google Bard website and log in with your Google account. Bard, now known as Gemini, offers a user-friendly interface where you can chat with the AI, ask questions, and generate various types of content. It's designed for everyday help with writing, planning, and learning. As you begin using Gemini AI, remember to review the terms of service to understand usage guidelines. Google provides extensive documentation and tutorials to help you maximize Gemini's potential. Also, be aware that different Gemini models, like Gemini Pro and Ultra, offer varying capabilities for complex tasks, with some advanced features available through a Google One AI premium plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.